Next, we have Mia Barrios.
Oh, that was my... Ooh, she looks so...
Mia began dancing with Hui Tamanui in 2005. Over the years, she's enjoyed celebrating her love for dancing, the culture, and the music by learning and being surrounded by talented, loving, and supportive people. Since 2006, she's participated in group productions, competitions, and events like the San Francisco Ethnic Dance Festival, Eva Iwi, Tahiti Fed of San Jose. In 2008, placed first for the Tamari'i Hotel and Tamari'i Amalima and Tamari'i Drumming. Mia's goal is to continue advancing as a dancer alongside those who share the joy of